Good morning, everybody. Truck's plugged in. 20 below out, I believe. Try a cold weather start on the truck. Hopefully she'll start. There, it's cold in here. Alright. Got the glow plug on. Okay, that wasn't on very long. Woohoo! She started. No problemo. Okay. Get the RPMs up. There. Climate, front. Alright. Now I can only let this run about 10 minutes and then I gotta hit the road. Diesel trucks are kind of complicated. No fun driving it when it only warms up for 10 minutes, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Later.